Ellie's trying to slide down a half pipe.
I'm so scared.
Her socks stand out the most.
Okay.
Now turn around. Can I see your butt? It's probably gonna be all dirty.
Mad.
Kelly, the dirt's still there.
Come here, Terry will clean off your butt for you. I think you need your shoes, retard. Want some help?
What?
You want some help? Okay, I'll get the.
You can't reach them.
No.
Maybe she's like a foot taller.
Oh! It just freaking got down. Oh my god, let me see your butt. It's pretty freaking dirty.
I don't see it.
A dirty girl. She's a dirty girl. Anyways.
Hi.
Okay, there's something wrong with my shoe. Man, I always think about that, about mirrors. Like, are you looking into the mirror or is somebody looking in the mirror at you?
Well, I don't know. That's some true.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
We should take a run.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You coming down?
And no.
Is your butt dirty?
Oh yeah, I did.
Okay, turn around.
Nope,
Is your butt
mine.
dirty?
Yep.
It's mine?
I don't believe it's mine.
Her butt. Alright, well, bye, Terry. Bye. Mark, he's gonna fall. Ah! Hey, Matt, have you figured it out yet? Have you?
You liar.
What?
Oh.
Oh, your butt is dirty.
What's dirty?
Her butt.